Hi there. So in this video, I will be walking through how to change the order or assign an order to your Showit canvases. So first of all, why would you need to do this? Well, say you wanted a sticky header effect. So I'm on the Nala Showit template that we've created here at Contrast Collective Co. And if you scroll, you'll see that this header sticks. Now, how is it doing that? Similarly, if we preview it on a mobile here, same thing, right? And over here, when we click the hamburger menu, this thing pops up on top of the whole page. So how can we do all this stuff? Well, hopefully you've gone through the Show It basic tutorials because this will be a really, really crash course. So there will be some things that might be missed. So I highly recommend you go there. But if you needed a crash course review, this is it. So let's tackle those. So all of those functions lie in the stacking order thing. So stacking order thing. Okay, this is going great. So make sure, first of all, that you select the specific canvas that you want to adjust, right? So right now we have the header canvas, and right now it's set to stacking order 5. Now this number is arbitrary. You can change it. Rule of thumb though is that if you want it to be sticky, you want this number to be higher than the rest of these canvas orders. So if I click into this hero, it's at 0, right? 0 to hero. Still 0, right? So normally my rule of thumb is if this won't be overlapping or it's not, sticky, it's not meant to be sticky, then might as well just assign it 0. It's the least priority-ish, right? So there's that. And then once we've made sure that that's the case, um, then we can adjust the stacking order for the canvas. Right now it's set to 5, right? So that's great. I could set it to 2 and it'd still be good. Now let's go to our mobile. So just making sure it's the same stacking order. And the rest should be the same as well. So that's good. Now for the mobile nav, think about it in this way. The mobile nav goes on top of the header, right? So when we click this hamburger menu, the mobile nav takes priority of the screen as opposed to this header. So what does that mean? It needs to have a higher stacking order. Now let's make sure we know the stacking order of this header. It's 5. So for the mobile nav, it could be like 6, which it is 6. So that's essentially how you would do that. Now, if you are dealing with site canvases, which we are in this case, right? The mobile nav is a site canvas, meaning it's reusable all throughout my site. There could be a shortcut or an added layer of protection. So if you click into that edit site canvas thing, same thing, you double check stacking order is high, so it's at 6. That's great. Now for this header, double check stacking order is at 5. So where am I going with that whole aside? If you're dealing with site canvases, good practice would be that when you're creating your site canvas, already assign the stacking order that you mean for it to take, so that show it can remember that, but also it just makes things a little easier for you, right? So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions with Show It, with site canvases or whatnot.